In this video, you will learn how to fix fail to load earlier message in Instagram. Update the Instagram app. Check your device's app store and update Instagram to the latest version to fix any known bugs. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a strong and stable internet connection, as weak connectivity can prevent messages from loading on your Instagram. Restart your device. Restarting your phone to refresh the system processing and even clears temporary issues. Clear the app's cache and reinstall Instagram. On Android, clear the app's cache via the settings, app, Instagram, then clear cache. On iOS, reinstall the app to remove any glitches. Log out and log back in. Logging out of Instagram account and logging back in will refresh your account's messaging syncing. Contact Instagram support. If the problem continues, report the issue through Instagram's help center for additional help. Now you know how to fix fail to load earlier message in Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.